Today is Friday, April 4th. Gotta love a Friday. Oh wow, my calendar's still in February. I should probably change that. I'm excited for the weekend. We have a very awesome weekend planned ahead. We got a party, breakfast with my mom. We got going to the auto show. Got a race on Sunday. We're not going to the race, but we're gonna watch the race. Kind of like you're watching this vlog right now. Look, it's baby kitty. But anyway, so that'll be fun. Excited. And anyway, here we go. Time to go to work. I've been watching Heroes a lot recently, and I thought of an awesome idea, but it would be a lot of work on my part. But Heroes, if you don't know, it's like supernatural, people getting powers and stuff like that, kind of like this. Like that. I thought it'd be awesome to kind of make like a superhero vlog. But it would be a lot of work on my part. So I'm still thinking about it, but I may still do it. I don't know. We'll see. Xbox go to Netflix. Boom. Xbox One is the stuff. Gotta love it. Yeah. So probably just gonna watch Heroes and then call it a night. And then got a big day planned tomorrow. You ready?
Yeah. I want my junior shirt.
Huh, you kind of match. Your sheet metal. I got sheet metal in the background.
Because this is the shirt that goes with that.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. I'm gonna grab me something to drink.
I went all out on that part.
Yeah, you did. You went all out. We're about to head to High Point, eat some breakfast, and then go to auto show. We're gonna get Lobo a Camaro.
Oh, wait.
Got me awesome waffle. Eggs and bacon and hash browns. MK got something. Party something.
Nut and green pancake.
Oh, is that real bacon?
It's turkey bacon.
Good. Turkey bacon. Well, I got a crate.
Yeah, that's not real bacon.
Each crate. And Teresa's got a mess. I like bacon. I got this mango mimosa is what it's called. It's pretty good. And then my mom and Teresa got me an awesome gift. Doesn't do it justice. A Walt Disney Company stock. Certified shareholder stock. I'm gonna blur out all the probably important stuff. That's cool. Yeah, that didn't last long at all. Hers didn't last long. Okay, you almost ate all of it. Good job. Now we're gonna have a talk about this later.
I'm going to eat later.
How do I look?
Awesome. Like a good ball.
Did you hear something? Is there anything in there? I look what? I look awesome? We've been here before. We did a vlog here before. We're going to here before we go to the auto show because evidently they close at 5. Oh, so that's 3. Right there. So here we go. Boom! Confetti. Guess it is. That's pretty cool. Tie with bleach. I think don't I have a die cast? Like that one? That's Winston. Huh? Oh, that's awesome. Ken Strader's Budweiser card. Jesus. That thing's seen better days. This is pretty snug, actually. These are old Jeff Gordon cars. The Rainbow Warriors. Show them what you got.
Cell phone case.
With Junior on it, right?
Yes. I always wanted one.
Crystal, you didn't get anything there. I'm surprised.
The shirt was just too big.
That's a shame.
I know. I was very sad. I like the Driven to Win. It's very cool.
we're at the auto show, and it is big. This is just the outside. We're not even inside the auto show. We're on the outside working through the flea market area. So it's pretty big. Yeah, there's Patty Blue. Oh, let me get
Blue fire.
Okay, good for Blue Fire, which is this one right there. Good job. Crystal goes for Blue Metallic. You ready? Look at it. Grandma, you like weenie roast? You like weenie roast? Bet you I am. I'm not going there. Got this kooky cat over here. I know it is.
I get the bananas. Oh my gosh.
No, it's Candace. Candace is in it. You're not.
Are you back on vlogs?
Kanan. It was a joke.
It was an April Fool's.
All right, that section of woods over there. This guy right here lit it on fire one time. Over there. He can't even deny it. She was in it already. When y'all played the volleyball crap.
Yeah, but you could barely see me.
I should blur your face out.
No. Josh.
I wouldn't do
For
that.
protective reasons.
That's too much time.
David, let me leave behind you, bro. Who's got it sticking up? You want a bean?
And that was a redneck serve.
Well, today was a long day, but very enjoyable. You can see I kind of got raccoon eyes, actually. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Good. Another fun day tomorrow. We got race. We got WrestleMania.
The ACMs.
ACMs too. I couldn't remember that one.
With sparkly dresses.
With sparkly dresses. Look, and Joshy look fancy.
Hey Josh.
Hey dude. Say hey to YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
What are you up to?
Oh, I'm looking on YouTube.
That's it.
Hey Josh, you should subscribe to this place. Super Mario Glitchy 4.
And
Awesome.
you should subscribe to Joshy Wren's channel, Baggin' 44.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the burrito.
Yeah.
Oh, it is fried burrito in Spanish.
What I did too.
At Maze. And you
Give me
got
away.
carne adobada. That looks good. And what'd you get?
The burrito polo.
Burrito polo. In Pam?
Fish tacos.
It looks good. The fish looks good on it too. Micro Royal Galaxy. Portable mini red and blue laser. This will be fun.
Would you like some cake, Shay?
No thanks.
You want to try it?
So y'all two got the same thing?
Well, you gotta get the side with the berries.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's awesome. What is it called again?
Chase leches.
Yeah, cool.
Translates to the milk cake.
The milk cake?
Try a little,
Which one did we get?
see what you think.
Oh yeah, mango something. Well, it was a fun weekend, but we're back home watching WrestleMania right now. About to watch Bar Rescue. Lobo and Baby Kitty are in the other room chilling. I'm just looking at Reddit and watching WrestleMania. But it was fun. Got to see lots of nice cars. Got to see some awesome people. So it was fun. Be good. And see you next weekend.